Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for November 3rd. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair closed up, but just by a little bit, had a very tight range, very low volume. Overall, we are looking for this pair to potentially go up and hit some resistance around 79.00, possibly hitting support around 77.50. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed higher. It did close higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 139.98, possibly as low as 135.57. Look for some resistance around 138.60, and look for some support around 13600. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed up for this session, moving sideways overall. Look for it to potentially go as high as 161.94. possibly as low as 157.94. Look for some resistance around 160.95, and look for some support around 158.70. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed down during this last session. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.8968, possibly as low as 0.8646. Look for some resistance around 0.8900. and look for some support around 0.8725. Alright, now as far as news announcements go, we have a couple of news announcements tomorrow. We have the Canadian unemployment rate being released for October at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it's held at 7.1%. Change in employment for October is showing a drop from 60.9K down to 15K. We also have the U.S. releasing their non-farm payroll for October at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has moved lower from 103K to 95K. Alright, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if you go to the Euro-USD and back out just a little bit on the day time frame, you'll notice that we have 3 sessions in a row. And if you line it up with this one, you can see that this pair has created quite a trend line here. And let's zoom in a little bit. So what I'm looking to do is basically short this pair on the break of this trend line, then look to grab a series of pips. And you can see here, basically, looking to short right here, sell around the 136.85 mark, then come on down to 136.54. Then next would be 136.34, and then finally 136.13. What that looks like from a pip standpoint, we have about a 30 pip run, 33 pip run, then on to about 54. About 20 pips more, and then another 20 pips down to 75 pips. So total looking for 75 pips. If you want to walk this on down, basically look for it to go 30 pips or 33 pips, go to break even. See if it'll come on down to the 53 mark. Move your stop loss to the first potential exit, and just excuse me, and just trail your stop down as it goes. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.